2 bars.
That was 25 quid to fill this up this morning.
How's that? I bet we didn't hang about, you know what I mean? Well, that was a good little
What's that hole there?
Burger King. That's a crater.
Nice that, eh? The chips were lovely.
They were actually. Much better than McDonald's chips.
I can't tell you the last time I went to Burger King.
Likewise. But they are better. It's a better burger than at McDonald's, that's for sure.
McDonald's is pretty fucking skimpy, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll have done 300 mile at the weekend, you know that?
Oh shit, Alec, I've no clipped my helmet in.
Do you know?
Nah. A wee lay-by round here, eh?
You want to stop?
Just stop in behind that, or in front of that truck, or behind it, or whatever. I'm getting forgetful in my old age, you know that?
Oh.
I just am.
Old age? Fuck's sake.
I know.
You're at the prime of your life.
Oh, fuck.
I've got a draft coming up the fucking side of my helmet as well.
Right, I'm good.
You ready?
Yeah. There's a car coming. Let's go.
All clear.
Go, go, go.
We'll go back to Lanark.
Aye, why no?
Fucking stink again.
I know. Oh, there's that lassie.
The guy is. He's either stealing stuff out of a fucking car.
Nah, I think it's his. I made a bit of a mess of that. I can certainly feel the chill though, eh? Wee sheepies. Lovely wee creatures though, aren't they?
Fucking nose was starting to run it out there.
Itchy nose.
That's better.
You're
Look abandoned now.
You all sorted?
Right.
Oh, 2 cows having sex.
Yeah.
At least they've been fixing the roads out here.
So you made an effort, eh?
Aye, they have made an effort here. Rather than just filling pissy wee potholes, they've been doing stretches. Like this.
Going Lanark now, aren't we? Are we?
Aye, Lanark,
right, yeah.
Lanark. Oh, you're going right?
Is it? Aye, we go right.
Okay.
It's right in the middle of the road.
Aye, utility companies at their best to put in a gas or an electricity main. When these fuckers dig up the road, they should replace the whole part of the road, not just a wee patch.
You should do. Agree with you.
they didn't half like to narrow the streets down and cause blockages.
OTT in it. Ooh. Oh, I didn't get much of a view of what's coming, do you?
No, I just went through the cycle bit.
Did you?
Still a cycle at the end of the day.
Cycle? You're going left here, aren't
we? Yes.
Go left and we'll just...
Aye, go left, aye, because we can cut back round.
Sir?
Yeah. Let's go through 4th again.
Up here one day, instead of going right, I went straight on.
Did you? Now you can still go that way as well, and then that will drop you onto the A71. Hopefully we'll get out next weekend as well for one last...
That'd be good.
Last hit. It'll probably be even colder, mind you. There was frost, a wee thin layer of frost on the car during the night.
Do that again?
There was a wee thin layer of frost on the car last night.
Aye?
I looked out the window, I could see it.
After that run yesterday, I fell asleep in the fucking chair for 1 hour and a half.
Did you? Well...
Aye. Fucking diggy line next to me.
Yeah. Wee diggy.
He's a cracking me dog, but...
Aye.
The road seems strange going opposite way, doesn't it?
Yeah. Especially when we never normally come back this way.
Is it?
Especially when we never normally come back this way.
No. We've got 3 bars left now.
Still only used one, I think. Aye.
I think that expensive fuel burns fucking quicker.
Do you think?
You get the same mile per gallon.
Yeah.
Take it yesterday, we had went to the Green Welly and back on the same tank of fuel.
That's right, aye, because we never fueled up. Well, I fueled up. No, I didn't fuel up. We didn't fuel up yesterday. No, because I'd already had fuel in it. So we never fueled up at all. And we done what, 190?
190 mile?
190 mile. And I still had 2 bars left.
Well, I had 1 left this morning.
Yeah.
And 1 left from about outside Sunderland, isn't it?
Yeah. But this bike I've got, it's phenomenal on fuel. Absolutely brilliant.
What's the difference between a modern bike? I was getting like fucking 60 mile a gallon with a BMW.
Yeah. Well, we didn't hang about this morning going down to Abbington, and I'm still averaging 71 mile to the gallon.
Superb, eh?
Yeah. That's the bike done 9,505 miles now.
I could control everything from the handlebars to that BMW. It was brilliant.
Yeah. But I still can't believe the amount of miles I've racked up on this bike in just over a year.
Look what I've racked up in this since in July.
Exactly. You as well.
See, that makes a big difference to your handling of the bike.
Oh aye. I mean, that bike of yours, it's probably only done about what, 600 mile a year?
Aye.
Until you got a hold of it. Woohoo! Caught ya! Used a bar of fuel on that exit.
Weather's nice here, isn't it?
It's alright, eh? Wee bit warmer as well. Itchy nose.
Glad I put that snood above my nose because my nose is fucking freezing.
Mine just gets itchy.
Yours phone or mine pinging?
Must be yours, it's not mine.
Cops. Do you know where that pinging was?
It was the police.
There's a speed camera.
No, so there is.
That's what the pinging was. It's a 20, 30.
30. Fucking wankers.
See the fucking point of that.
Cash cow.
No, but what the fuck? We've got people robbing places and they're fucking sitting in there doing fuck all.
I know. Anyway, on that grim note, I'm going to wrap the video up here. And if you have hung about to the end to watch it, ta. If not, well, it's just the way it goes. And I'll see you in the next one. And that's a goodbye from me.
And a goodbye from me.
TTFN. Yeah. I never do, I keep forgetting the day outro things, eh?
You good day today.
It's been brilliant.